Hi guys, alright, so it is already Thursday, and you've been doing a really nice job on our poetry unit, okay? So what we're going to be looking at today is, after we've done our examples and after we've kind of learned poetry terms, just what is poetry, we're coming now and we're going to write our own poetry. So our objective is I can write poetry by borrowing techniques from a mentor text, okay? So we're going to be focusing on that today. Okay, so first watch the screencast, good job. If you see me, you're doing it. Good job. Okay. And then we'll do that activity. Okay. So all you need to do is watch the screencast today and then do our mentor text. So if I pull up what that is. So the idea with the mentor text, like we've done in class before, is that you take somebody else's ideas and then use that to express your own ideas. Okay. So we'll do the same thing with poetry here. There's going to be 2 steps for this one, and again, please do 20 minutes, and if you get stuck or need me at any time, let me know. We can jump on that video chat and get you going, okay? So we have 2 poems here. This is just our example, and we are going to use this kind of as our mentor. So first is by Shel Silverstein over here. It's called Rain, and then the other one is Ocean. Mrs. Han, if you guys know who that is, wrote this for us, okay? So our first one, I opened my eyes and looked up at the rain, and it dripped in my head and flowed into my brain, and all that I hear as I lie in my bed is the slishy sloshy of the rain in my head. I step very softly, I walk very slow, I can't do a handstand, I might overflow. So pardon the wild crazy things I just said, I'm not just the same since there's rain in my head. Okay, so kind of a silly fun poem. Our idea is we're going to take that same structure, but we're going to make it our own. So instead of rain, we said ocean, right? And Mrs. Han wrote, I lifted my head and looked out at the ocean, and you can see whatever I highlighted in yellow for you guys is what's a little bit different about this poem. And it waved at me, and it flowed onto my toes. And all that I hear as I stand at the shore is the pitter-patter of little crabs in the sand. And I take one slow step, and I breathe deep. And I can't waste this moment. I might lose hope. So pardon the way I stare out endlessly. I'm just not the same since my feet touch the sand. Okay, so you can see a lot of the same lines, but then Mrs. Han took this and made it about something she wanted to write about, which was the ocean. Okay, so really kind of cool example there. So for you guys, here we have the original poem on one side. We're going to do another Shel Silverstein. He's one of my faves. And then you guys are going to fill in the blanks here and write your own poem. So if you want, you can listen to the What If poem right here. You totally are allowed to do that. And then pick a topic or ways that you can kind of make this one your own. So you're going to fill in these blanks with maybe a verb or maybe a noun or some sort of word to make the sentence make sense, to make this your own. Alright, so make sure that it's shared with me, and again, if you have any questions, email me and we'll jump on and we'll work on this together, okay? Awesome guys, thank you.